Sam Altman, OpenAI IPO, everybody's waiting this date. And usually this type of expectation of some launch, of some IPO or some release, it's priced in. That's why it's front run. The WorldCoin is front run. But I'll recommend you just even ask any AI about what the relationship between the WorldCoin, Sam Altman and OpenAI IPO, and you will understand. So basically, the people who hold the WorldCoin will not generate any revenue from OpenAI IPO. So just in case, because the people start build a crazy expectation like, oh, I'm going to be the holder of WorldCoin and I got some shares or I don't know, some fees. No. So I'll recommend you just double check the main information. Before I showed you the main targets for WorldCoin locally and globally, let's double check the liquidation heat map. And like you can see on a 2 weeks time frame liquidation heat map, we grab all liquidity above. So if you bought it here, for example, at 30 cents, it's not a mistake to take the profit now, or at least if we will go higher to the 60, just withdraw initial deposit. I'm not sure if we get a chance to double check on the monthly time frame. Oh, yes. Even here, all main liquidity is below, right? So this is liquidation heat map for WorldCoin on the Binance. That's why a lot of stop losses under the low, like 23, is not unnecessary. So we should drop that low again, but I will show you the levels. If we double check the daily active users, it's kind of strange, but here, this was a price, and the blue one, it's a WorldCoin daily active users. And like you can see, at least the WorldCoin has a daily active user. I mean, at least because a lot of just coins which are launched at Stone 22, Stone 25, have zero users, daily users. So all that users, the spikes of the users was just because the people farmed the A drop. And now, even after the 2 years, 3 years, the WorldCoin still has active users. So it's good. It's good. Market capitalization now is around 2 billion. Of course, it's not a low cap coin because of unlocks. This is an example of the chart, how the unlocks destroyed the charts. So it was at the 11, almost $12, and there was like, I guess, 5 or 10% tokens unlocked. And since March 2024 till now, during the last 2 years, with the unlocks, just early investors just dump the price. So this is the market capitalization is going higher, right? But the price goes down. So that's the point. And yes, there's some revenue, here's the transactions. Transaction is pretty good. So pretty solid. So the people use it, everything good. WorldCoin active daily users, not that much, but sometimes some spikes happen, right? But anyway, there are still users. Price pretty low, market capitalization, here, once again, example. So it was the September 75, the high of 4 billion market capitalization, right? And that one, it was the September 75, this one. Spike to $2.22, and we dumped from $2.20 from 5 billion market capitalization to the 2 billion market capitalization, and we dumped to 36 cents. That's a point when we got the projects with the unlocks. WorldChain revenue is not that much. It's kind of sad, because it's just like 1K in a day. Revenue WorldChain fees, also kind of small one. That's why I can't say by metrics it's some top player now. But anyway, if even on this news, the people front run WorldCoin, we go directly, and we will go directly firstly to test from a value line below. I already showed you before this line, and I tell you to track the altcoins which trade under fundamental value line because one day we'll come back and test this line for the melt while the line below. That's why if you see now on some charts, the coin which trade under the last line on a weekly time frame, it's a good risk ratio purchase. Of course, if this is not a pure scam. After that, the next target is going to be $1. Of course, the buy line tests below 74 cents. And after that, $1.46, it's a take profit line. And if you think it's not a big deal, guys, here, it's a big deal. It's going to be over than 500% gains from the low. We're still not invalidated the initiation accumulation pump model. So I would like to show you once again where we now. Daily time frame, the correction can be to the buy line, but I don't think so now. So it's a new low, 19 cents. I don't think so. But if you believe in that heat map, what we double checked before, and the buy line, you can wait. So this is a buy line now on daily time frame. We already retested that line in April, so I don't see any reason why we should drop that low again. This is the initiation accumulation pump model, guys. The model is still relevant until we not invalidate the idea or hit the new high, or at least hit this 61 level by fee. Here was the buy zone, first zone to buy. Highly recommended this free indicator. You can add to your screen and double check. Only two things what I can recommend it. Just double check the tutorial how to work with this strategy and the model was released, and try to find the lowest listing price for the token. So you're going to reduce the risk. And invalidation for the WorldCoin, 15 cents. Is it possible to drop? Yes. But I don't think so. So the next step, like resistance, is going to be the 58 cents and 91. After that, $1.15. So guys, I would be not surprised if in the next upcoming weeks, if the WorldCoin continue rally, we can see something even like this one. For example, end of June, July, and August dumped from $1, for example, to the 58 cents again. All zones, guys, relevant absolutely. I'll recommend you double check the previous videos. Even you could check the video since June 23 when I mark all zones. People laughing here, so we will never drop to your zone of interest. But guys, it's just a matter of time. When we can't know the time we can't know, but we know where. Money power and trade on, guys. All other indicators highly recommended. Just double check by yourself. Totally for free. Link will be on the description below. Daily time frame or weekly time frame, guys. What we saw here's a buy. Firstly, take profit. So it was a bullish signal. If you track with this indicator set everything by yourself, you could see that signal take profit in the March 26. So the signal to sell was March 24, March 26. We get a signal take profit. You could close the chart, add alert, and wait to take profit. So it means we need to close all short position. We need to stop selling the WorldCoin. Amazing one. Not, of course, on all coins. It's the trade on could perform like this one perfectly well, but trade on, it's really, really powerful instrument. And for example, on AVAX, I'm scary because we still not see the signal take profit. After that, on next week, we saw the signal to buy. So if you bought it here at next week, 28 cents. Now you're in 100% profit. So congrats. Here was a money inflow. Now no money outflow. So let's add alerts to the money outflow on the weekly time frame, where the wheels will take the profit. I think once again we go higher. People can draw the trend lines like this one, but it's a mistake because the chart all the time move on the right side. That's why the people can say this is gonna be the crazy breakout, something like this one, retest and go into the moon. No, I think we're gonna form something like this, go maybe in over than $2.23 to $3 and reject and go low, maybe under the $1 again. Write please in the comment what do you think about WorldCoin. Why, by the way, that's targets? Because here, this is a swing trades fixation. Here, 252, 270. This is a zone of take profits for swing trades. Write please in the comment what do you think about WorldCoin. If you like to trade with my customer Kasai, what showed in this video, just write me DM. Link will be on the description below. See you next time.